I'm literally in my bathtub right now. What can I say? The lighting is good. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Morphe haul. As you can tell from the title, a lot of people consider Morphe to be kind of like a holy grail brand, and so I thought I would buy a few palettes. I already have a couple of them, but I wanted more. And speaking of holy grail, if you want a video on kind of like my holy grail products, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I can tell. So I bought quite a few, aka 5. In my defense though, Beauty Bay is stocking Morphe, and so they have major sales. Instead of being £23, these palettes are only 14 at the moment. So this was only £70 for 5, which is amazing. 350S. I think S stands for shimmer. Let's find out. Okay, that is gorge. Yeah, it must be shimmer because these are literally every single one of these is a shimmer colour. The colours are a little bit samey. It's coming up on camera a little bit more kind of different than it does look in real life, but the colours are absolutely stunning. I'm immediately drawn to the shimmery orange. That is beautiful, holy crap. Oh yeah. The only thing about Morphe is that they don't have shade names. Why not? It's like half the fun. I feel like if I had my own brand, part of the fun would be choosing the names. And I get it, they're probably trying to keep their costs down, but honestly, I would just do it for free if I was already working for Morphe, but whatever. And look at that, oh my god, that is stunning. That would be a great highlight. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should do like a full face of Morphe eyeshadow, but that's probably been done, so. 35R. What does R stand for? This one does have a mixture of mattes and, this is not coming out, there we go. A mixture of mattes and shimmers. I would say it falls just shy of 50-50. It would be actually a really good palette for brows. This line down here, I think all of those could actually work for my brows. One thing I do actually quite like about the Morphe palettes is they don't have a mirror, because they're so massive as palettes as it is. That mirror would not be practical. So I think they've actually done a good job not putting a mirror, and it's cheaper. The kind of shade that I would kind of fill in my brows, because I normally get quite dark. But that is pigmented as heck. What is it with Morphe? They are literally insane. They're such cheap palettes as they are. I mean, £23, like, that's bloody decent. The next palette that I got is 35F. Now, these 3 that I have remaining actually do have the names on the front. So this is the F stands for Frost here, the fall into Frost. I went to a party, it was a birthday party, but it was like a house party. And I remember that the girl whose party it was, she had a Morphe palette in one of the rooms. And it was this one, and it actually got ruined in that party. And we still do not know who the culprit is, and when we find out, we will be on a murder spree, because you cannot damage a Morphe palette. That is absolutely, like, treachery, treason, it's not okay. As you can see, the bottom line is mattes, and they're kind of like gradiating transition shades. So if you look at the rows, they kind of all go together really well, so you could totally make a look out of each of those rows, and I might kind of do that when I get ready tomorrow, because I'm going clubbing. Very excited. This one right here, it's kind of like a cranberry purple. Oh, look at that. Yes, that is gorgeous. Look at those. These palettes are £14 each. Insane. Insane in the membrane. Oh, okay. So this is not as orangey as I expected it to be. I'm going to swatch this matte orange right up here. The thing is, I think in photos and on camera, they do look kind of more different than they are. There are some differences, but in the camera, it does seem like pretty amazing. Oh yeah. That's quite similar to this one. I might kind of mix and match between palettes, and obviously got to swatch a shimmer, since that seems to be my thing. I'm going to go with this one here. It's like a taupey, bronzy colour. And yeah, that's actually very similar to the On and On bronze, or Bad to the Bronze by Maybelline, the colour tattoo. And the last palette that I got, I do have a couple more from Morphe, but I just wanted to do the ones that I placed in one order. This is the Warm Tart palette, 35W. Like I said, I'm a big fan of warm toned eyeshadows. They are very popular at the moment, so I'm quite interested to see this one. From what I remember, this is the one that was kind of least cohesive in terms of it had like a pink colour. Okay, yeah, definitely. I'm gonna swatch this pink right here, just so you guys can get a feel. Okay, it came on chalky on my finger, and it's kind of blended out into nothing. Actually, no, I take that back. I just didn't swatch it properly. It's really pretty. Let's say precious and pretty. It's really pretty, but it is muted, and then this kind of silvery blue shade. Ironically, that's pretty cool toned. So I don't really know why it's called warm, but oh, I love that. It's right at the bottom there. That is gorge. Gorge. I have to say, I am so excited to try these Morphe palettes. What I don't understand is why some of them look like this, and then some of them look like this. There must be a kind of code for how they decide to do that, but I don't know what the code is. Again, just let me know if you have any video requests, and like this video if you'd like to see kind of my holy grail products as a makeup artist in training. And until next time, bye bye.